This little symbol changed the world, and it was invented right here in Tenby. There was a man named Robert Recorde, and he was born right here in Tenby in around 1510. At that time, Tenby was a bustling seaport with many merchants and traders. Ships landed in Tenby from all over Europe, bringing goods, and with the goods came weights, measures, complexity, and mathematicians like Robert Recorde were really important. Robert Recorde was quite different from many mathematicians of the time in that he wrote his books in English rather than Latin, and he wrote them in a conversational style, as if between a teacher and a student. But he had a bit of a problem. He was having to constantly write is equal to on all the lines when he was doing his additions. So he invented a simple sign called the equal sign. And in his own words, he wrote, "To avoid the tedious repetition of these words is equal to, I will settle, as I do often in work use, a pair of parallels or gemmo lines of one length thus, because no two things can be more equal." Unfortunately, Robert Recorde's story doesn't end well. Recorde was a man of principles, and he accused the Earl of Pembroke, who was a very powerful man, of corruption. Recorde was sued, fined, and ended his life here in London, in the notorious King's Bench debtors' prison in Southwark. So the next time you're writing an equal sign, think of Tenby, think of ships and trade, and of a man who just wanted equality, but ended up losing everything.